Hey guys, Alex Ryan here. Welcome back. I'm coming to you from my hometown, which is in Sydney. And today's video, I kind of want to talk about the pros and cons of Amazon. And maybe you're thinking about starting a side hustle, maybe starting a side business. And a lot of people might be wondering, you know what, maybe I've missed the boat with Amazon. Maybe there's too many people already out there selling on Amazon. And, you know, will my product succeed? And let me tell you, I just got back from China. I went to Shanghai and Hong Kong and a few other places, and literally there are 50 products coming out of China every single week. There is so much opportunity out there, and really, you haven't missed the boat. There's constantly new products hitting the market, and there's always going to be new products coming out. It's like me saying, I want to jump into opening a restaurant, and oh wait, no, there's too many restaurants, right? It won't succeed because there's too many people selling food. Well, that's just not the case. There's always new restaurants opening up, and the same thing goes with new products being sold on Amazon, right? There's so many new products being hit the market. There's so much opportunity. So you haven't missed the boat, right? You never will miss the boat. There's constantly new products, new suppliers coming to market. So guys, if you want to check out a brand new webinar, an exclusive webinar, don't forget to check it out. It's on my website below. And on this webinar, we discuss 10 hot products that are currently in vogue right now, that currently is selling really well on Amazon. So check it out, guys. Click the link below and I'll talk to you real soon.